Are you feeling stuck? In that cycle of earning money, spending money, and always feeling stressed about it, even when you have a good income? Well, let's just treat this as our first coaching session together. We're about to walk through a really simple 3-habit plan that you can use to break free, literally starting the moment this is over. I mean, does this sound familiar? It's a feeling that traps millions of us. Your closet is full. Your garage has stuff you barely even look at. But your bank account? It just doesn't seem to reflect all your hard work. It's an incredibly common and, let's be honest, super frustrating place to be. So, take a look at this number, 300,000. And nope, that is not a typo. That's the number of items in the average American home. So that feeling of being overwhelmed, it's not just in your head. It is physically surrounding you, and it has a hidden cost that's bigger than you think. And that brings us to a core concept that can totally change your relationship with money. Seriously, this is the key insight most of us miss when we're trying to figure out why we feel so broke. It's all about seeing the invisible cost of every single thing you buy. This is it. Opportunity cost. And look, this isn't some boring idea from an economics textbook. It's a real choice you make every day. That thing you're about to buy. It isn't just the money leaving your account right now. It's the future wealth that money could have built for you, just vanishing. Let's make this crystal clear. Think about a $60 dinner out. Yeah, it's a nice meal, but pretty soon it's just a fleeting memory with zero financial value. Now picture that same $60 invested instead. In 20 years, it could easily become over $150, just quietly compounding while you sleep. So the choice is between a memory that fades and a machine that literally builds wealth for you. So just take a second and really think about it. That daily coffee, the subscription you completely forgot about, the takeout you ordered because you were tired. What future freedom, what options, what peace of mind have those small, seemingly harmless choices been silently costing you all this time? Okay, so we get the why now, right? It makes sense. So let's shift gears to the how. And listen, this is not about some massive, intimidating life overhaul. It's about 3 simple habits you can start the second this explainer ends. And here they are. That's it. No complex spreadsheets, no painful deprivation, just 3 foundational behaviors. We're going to look at the 2-day rule, the nightly reset, and the 24-hour rule. Think of these as your starting blocks on the path to financial freedom. First up, the 2-day rule. This is all about consistency, not perfection. Let's say you're trying to track your spending and you miss a day. It's okay. We're human. But the rule is you never miss 2 days in a row. Because missing once, that's an accident. Missing twice, that's the start of a new bad habit. Next is the nightly reset. Now, this might seem like it has nothing to do with money, but trust me, it does. Just spend 5 minutes before bed putting your space back in order. Waking up to chaos creates a cluttered mind. And you know what a cluttered mind does? It makes impulsive, stress-based financial decisions. A clear space is your first line of defense. And finally, the 24-hour rule. Oh man, this one is pure gold. For any purchase that isn't an absolute necessity, food, rent, you simply wait 24 hours before you buy it. This simple pause is an incredibly powerful filter. It separates that emotional, fleeting, I want it now, from a genuine, considered, I actually need this. So we have the rules, but what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's walk through a little scenario to see these habits in action, and you'll see just how powerful they really are. We have all been here. It's late, you're scrolling, and boom, an ad pops up for some gadget that seems like it will solve all your problems. It looks slick, it's new, and that buy now button is practically screaming your name. The impulse is almost overwhelming. But this time is different. A new thought pops into your head, the 24-hour rule. So instead of clicking purchase, you add it to the cart, and then you do the most powerful thing you can in that moment. You close the tab. You just created space between an impulse and an action. And what happens the next day? You wake up and that intense, urgent, I need this feeling from last night, it's just gone. You realize it wasn't a need at all, just a passing desire triggered by some clever marketing. You empty the cart. And that feeling right there, that's the feeling of control. That's a win. And this part is so important. That small victory, it wasn't just about saving money on a gadget. It's about remembering that every good financial decision you make is a vote. It's a vote for the kind of person you want to become, someone who is intentional, disciplined, and totally in control of their financial destiny. You see, this is how it all connects. It's not about one heroic act of saving a ton of money. It's about how these tiny, daily decisions, these little votes you cast for yourself, build the foundation for something so much bigger. And this is the path that opens up for you. Those small habits, when you practice them over and over, they build consistency. That consistency forges real financial discipline. And ultimately, that discipline, that's what buys you true freedom. Freedom from debt, from stress, and the freedom to live life completely on your own terms. So, let's end with this powerful idea. This whole thing isn't about restriction or depriving yourself. It's the exact opposite. Think of it this way. Every dollar you intentionally choose not to spend on clutter is a dollar you're using to buy your own freedom. So my question to you is this. Will you try the 24-hour rule on a purchase you were thinking about? Will you do a 5-minute nightly reset tonight? What is the first small vote you will cast right now for the financially free person you are deciding to become? The choice is all yours.